Hi, it's Michelle from StrawBearie.com, and today I have the August 2022 Paletteful Packs box to unbox and do something with the supplies. I'm a crafter, and these are art supplies, so you never know exactly what you're gonna get. Let's see what's inside. Okay, white shreds today. And let's look at all this. Okay, we have liquid charcoal. Okay, I think this is a drawing box. Drawing boxes always scare me because I never feel like I learned how to draw properly. This is fine art charcoal. Okay, we have several little things. So we've got a mono plastic eraser from Tombow. We have a very large brush. It's a number 10 by Simply Simmons, a filbert. We have a smaller brush by Princeton, and looks like it's a number 6 round. You can see that. It says Lyra Rembrandt Mattel 309 medium. It looks like a charcoal pencil or something. Let's see. It has not been sharpened, but I do get black off on my finger touching the edge. So there we go. And then this one says General's Charcoal 557-2B medium. And it is a pencil. Then we have a white, let's see, Stabilo pencil. We have an Artist Chamois 5x7. And we have Canson dry mixed media paper, 9x12, 98 pounds. And there are 40 sheets, and it is gray. So this challenge scares me a little bit, but let me think about what I can do and stick around. Lost in the Shreds was our sticker for this week for Paletteful Pack. And yeah, it's kind of a pixelated picture of me. So I watched a video, and I will leave a link to it below. And it was a video with a guy who does charcoal. And he was just basically giving instructions on how to do charcoal. And he started off by drawing 6 boxes and then started working on something in each of the boxes. I'm going to have a link to his video below, but the first thing was working on how just to draw lines and turning it, trying to get more organic lines. Just learning how the material works. So for those of you who are new to my channel, I am a crafter. I am not an artist, and I have been getting an art supply box that my son bought me for Christmas each month, and I'm trying to test out the materials and see how they work and how I can use them. So the second thing he said was to just practice how you would use it on the side and how you can get different textures and different shapes. And then the third one, he basically really darkened in the entire thing. And then he took a paintbrush and some water and started to smooth it out. Okay, and his next one, oh, actually this one, okay. So he was just talking about how to make different types of marks and just practice your mark making skill. Thicker and darker and lighter and softer, and practicing your marking. And just seeing what all your materials can do for you. And then in this square, he was trying to show how you can go from really dark to lighter. Or maybe this is the one that he actually used the water on to get it lighter towards the bottom and pulling that color down. And well, I messed that up. And then the last square he did a drawing, and I think instead I want to try to do some more darkness. And then use my eraser and trying to pull out some of that color and seeing how that works. Just playing around with it. This is really going to be a learning curve for me, and I really don't have a good final product to show you. I'm just going to keep playing with it and learning how to use the materials, and hopefully sometime I can use them a little bit better. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and have an awesome, wonderful day. Toodles!